Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy, it's MK Money. I'm back again with another video. On today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make money with this platform, guys. How to basically make money on this platform. Is called 6pmvip.com, guys. 6pmvip.com. I'm going to show you step by step on how to make money with this platform by grabbing others, guys, on this platform that are like tasks for you to like grab each and every single day. Every 24 hours you grab tasks. So guys, I'm going to show you how to step by step on how to make money with this platform. So for you to make money, guys, on this platform, you need to be able to like invest a little bit, guys. Invest a little bit. For me, I invested $60. As you can see, guys, there the profit that I have each and every single day, I earn $2 each and every single day. So after 10 days, guys, I'll be having a lot of profit, guys, just because every day I get like $2. So I'm going to show you guys how to withdraw on this platform. I'm going to show you how much I also get when I withdraw, guys. So I started like using this platform for like 6 days. And I was able to like make $6, guys. I'm going to show you guys the proof, guys, so that you can see. So but before we get into that, I want to briefly explain, guys, about this platform, how to basically make money on this platform. First of all, if you want to make money on this platform, guys, you need to consider to deposit, guys, so that you can be able to make money. As you can know, guys, you will never make money without depositing, guys. You will never make money without depositing. You need to deposit a little bit so that you can be able to make money. So first of all, I'm gonna explain about the mission that they have, guys, first of all, and also about the packages that they have, guys. So number one, as you can see, the $61 is the one that I got. So I just want to check the lowest one for you guys. So if we have one, guys, so guys, we don't have the lowest one, guys. So we're starting from $61, guys, so that you can be able to make a lot of profit with this platform. So now that you're here, guys, let's take, you want to deposit $60, guys. You need to go where they say deposit. You need to go straight where they say deposit, guys. So when you come here, guys, you're gonna copy the address, and please make sure you check. Please do not recharge other non-TRX USDT asset. It will arrive in account about 1 to 3 minutes after recharging. So you need to make sure you take this, copy the address, and also make sure you send the TRC20 USDT, guys. Make sure you send that, guys. Don't do another assets, guys. Make sure it's TRC20. So then what you're going to do, you're gonna go straight to your Binance or your whatever. Let me just go to my Binance. Let me just go to my Binance and show you something, guys. I want to show you something. So but I'm not going to send my money here or just because already I did that. I'm just want to show you guys how everything is done, guys. So I'm gonna go straight to my wallet. As you can see on my wallet, guys, I'm having $39, guys, there, just because I'm always making money with this. I'm always cashing out, and also I'm using my trust wallet to do this. So guys, first of all, you're gonna go this. Remember, you're going to send. So what you're going to do, you're gonna go where they say withdraw. Just gonna go to withdraw. So when we're gonna go to withdraw, we're gonna go straight to where they say USDT. Remember, we're sending the USDT, and then we need to copy and paste that address that we got, and then the network. Remember the network, guys, is Tron TRC20, guys. Remember, it's Tron TRC20. So then to send, you're gonna click confirm, and then you're gonna put the amount that you wanna send. Remember, it's $60 for me. I'm not going to send any money, guys, here, just because already bought mine, guys, so I don't have a reason to send. So for you, you're gonna click $60. Just remember, guys, we're sending $60 there, guys. So also choose the network, remember. So then you are done by doing that, and then you're gonna click withdraw. You will be able to send the USDT, guys, to your wallet, guys, to your to the platform, guys, so that you can be able to purchase. So let's take you done sending, guys. Let's take you done sending. Let me just show you guys what you're going to do. So guys, I'm sorry for taking time to do that. So now that you're done, guys, doing it, guys, now that you're done, you can also download the app on the for the platform. Download the app, and then you're gonna log in, guys. To register is simple. You're just gonna need your basic information, guys, and also your number, and also your email, so that you can be able to register an account, and as simple as that. And then, guys, so when you're done doing that, guys, you need to let's take you done depositing. You need to come here where you say home, and then you're gonna see something like this, and then you're gonna purchase this one, guys. You're gonna purchase this one, and then it's gonna show you guys, and then you're gonna confirm, and this is what you're going to do. As you can see, as I told you guys, I already took like 3 orders, and today I took 1 order, as you can see, guys. So I managed to like get the $2, so I managed to make like $6, as I said, guys. The period of 3 days, guys. $6 3 days. That's because I told you that I'm earning $2, and then that's how you're going to do it, guys. That's how you're going to do it when to recharge, guys. You're gonna do the only there to recharge, and then now that you're done doing that every day, you're gonna come here, guys. Let's say you starting making money. You're gonna come here where they say missions, and then you're gonna take all the missions that you have each and every single day, and then you'll be able to get that $2, guys. So for those who want to know how to withdraw, I'm just gonna rush in there to show you guys how to withdraw money on the platform. So as you can see, the money that I'm able to withdraw right now is $2, as I said, guys. So now I'm gonna like type the $2 just because it's the money that I can withdraw right now, and then my password, my fund password, I mean. Okay, so guys, this is my fund password, and then I'm gonna click confirm. Withdrawal succeeded. So guys, we're just gonna wait for 3 minutes, 4 minutes, so that we can check if we got, excuse me, guys, if we got the TRX, not the TRX, the USDT, guys. So that's what I'm trying to say. So guys, as you can see, they just took the $2, guys. So now left with the $60 that I used to like buy the VIP. So as I said, guys, that's how we're going to make money with this platform. So that's simple as that, guys. That's simple as that to invest on this platform, guys. I hope everybody understands. So that make sure you put your password and also your fund password when you register an account, guys. So that your fund password is the password that you're going to use when you wanna withdraw, guys. That's the fund password, and then they would login password is the password that you're going to use to log in, guys. You can also do this on this one, guys, where they say me. You could come here also, you can enter to do this, guys. It's simple as that, guys. So guys, that's how we're going to make money with this platform. I hope now you understand. So now I'm gonna go, I'm gonna rush to my USDT. I hope I got it. I'm not sure, guys, just because I don't know if they faster in this. So okay, guys, as you can see the 4 USDT, I got the 2 USDT. Let me just go there and show you guys. So guys, this was live, guys. As you can see, guys, for yourself, it's today. As you can see, it's today the $2, and yesterday I got the $2 again, and then the day before yesterday I got also the $2, guys. So this, guys, is not kept, guys. This is real, guys. This is real, as you can see for yourself, guys. And also check the wallet. It's the same. This is the same wallet, guys. So guys, and also the time, as you can see, $4, guys. Now we're having $4. That's simple as that. So the $2 of yesterday I transferred to my Binance, as I show you here, guys, just because I'm already having balance also here, guys. So guys, this is how I make money with this kind of platforms. So I know that you want to make money with this. Please comment down, and if you want to make money with this, I'm gonna continue making more videos. If you don't understand, comment down. I'm gonna make another video, guys, for this, and then I'll see you on the next video. So buy 10K money. Yeah, I'll see you on